When it comes to samosas, I've been loyal to the ones stuffed with paneer from the sweet shop near my place. Since many of you are not aware of paneer samosas, I thought, why not bring this unique recipe to you? Bringing you today the flavor of my favorite paneer samosa along with lip-smacking chutney. For the process of making the paneer filling, I am grating 200 grams of paneer. We are done grating the paneer. I will be flavoring the paneer with minimum spices. I am pouring 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, 1 teaspoon cumin or jeera powder. Next, 1 inch finely chopped ginger, 3 green chillies finely chopped, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Let the spices roast. Once done, I am adding the grated paneer and salt as per taste. Mix this well to bring everything together. We are almost done with the paneer filling. Lastly, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. A very important step is to cool down the filling before we stuff this into the samosa pockets. And while this happens, I am going to make the samosa dough. For this, I am taking 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, one teaspoon carom seeds or Ajwain, and salt as per taste. Into this, I am adding 4 tablespoons of ghee. This makes the samosa crispy and flaky. Mashing them well together is extremely important. Now, I am adding minimum water to knead a tight dough. Remember, the dough has to be really firm. My daughter asks me, why do so much labor when you can simply get the samosas from the market? Well, I tell her, nothing replaces home-cooked food, isn't it? If the dough feels a little dry to knead, add in some ghee and knead it. Just be careful of all the pointers and trust me, these homemade samosas will be just like the ones you get from the sweet shops. The dough is kneaded. We'll cover this and let it rest for 15 minutes. Let's quickly make the chutney. I'm taking 2 cups of fresh coriander leaves, 1 inch chopped ginger, 4 to 5 green chillies, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin or jeera powder, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of water. Now let's cover the lid and grind. The chutney is ready. I always feel that samosas are incomplete without this chutney. 15 minutes are up and our dough is ready. Now let's take a portion of the dough, roll it on the rolling board for a few seconds and divide it into portions as per the size of the samosas you want. Take the portions, shape and flatten them into discs. We will be rolling them on the rolling board one by one. Grease with some oil so that the dough doesn't stick. Now I have started rolling the disc with light hands. Notice carefully, I am rolling the disc not in a circle but thin oval shape. Another tip, the samosas will be crispier if we roll them thin. Cut this half from the center to make a semicircle shape as a cover for each samosa. Similarly, we will be making all the samosa covers. Once done, I am taking a sheet and joining the edges firmly to make a cone shape. If your edges don't stick well, you can brush the edges with water and stick. Let's do the stuffing in this cone. Do not overstuff the samosa. I am pressing the stuffing gently into the cone and applying some water on the corners. Fold it this way and seal the watered edges by pressing it gently. Shape it like this. Similarly, make rest of the samosas. Time to fry them. The oil has heated up well. Now I'm gently dropping the samosas one by one. One more important tip, do not overcrowd the pan. Let each samosa cook evenly until golden and crisp. Keep on flipping in between. Golden and crispy. Perfect. Let's bring them out. I am repeating the same frying process with the remaining samosas. Hot, crispy paneer samosas done and ready. Serve this along with the chutney. I won't deny it's a labor of love, but when it's love, it's always worth the effort, isn't it? Eat well, live well, and stay blessed.